Well, 4 days after the big storms, parts of the valley still being affected by Monday's rain.
Much of the water now on its way out of the valley through big drainage systems. Channel 5's Christian Von Preissing explains where all that water is going.
The valley has several major floodways, big arteries, which move all the water that's coming in right now out of the valley, and it flows out into the Gulf. The water flows into 4 main drainage systems that have a capacity large enough to channel the water from many other small canals around the cities in the valley. The way it works starts at a place like this, a small canal. The water is pumped through a gate that runs underneath a levee by a local crew. The water continues flowing where it links with a major floodway. This is the most widely known large system, the IBWC floodway, under the overpass between Weslaco and Mercedes. The individual cities take the responsibility of pumping water into the main area.
Predominantly, the drainage ditches will drain in most areas of the valley toward our floodway system. Our floodway system, which was developed to hold the Rio Grande when it was flooding, is one of the lowest areas in the valley. And so the drainage outside of the floodway system will try to enter that because that's a lower area for it to go.
The floodway is bounded by large levees that keep the big channel from overflowing. Levees like these are seen all around the valley, east to west. They're effective as long as the water doesn't get higher than its crest. The IBWC floodway merges with the Arroyo Colorado before it splits around FM 1015, International Boulevard. This system is managed by the International Boundary and Water Commission. Its primary purpose is to keep the Rio Grande at bay if it ever starts to overflow. We also have locally managed systems, the Raymondville Drain and the main floodwater channel. These systems flow through Hidalgo and Willacy counties. The Raymondville Drain isn't complete. It services part of Willacy County, but what they call the main floodwater channel is essential to getting rid of water from a number of small canals from all around Hidalgo County. It flows here to the Gulf Coast, and it empties out into the Laguna Madre, away from the homes and lives that are being affected. I'm here live at a very important location because all the floodwaters that originate in Hidalgo County, some of them going through Cameron County, they all end up here in Willacy County. I'm here on the way to Port Mansfield, and the Raymondville Drain is behind me. It appears pretty still. One thing that the engineer we spoke to in this story pointed out, the valley inclines about 1 foot per mile. Very, very slow, very little assistance from gravity, but also steady. Live in Willacy County, Christian Von Preissing, Channel 5 News.